What up guys, Nakamoto Crypto here. So the entire cryptocurrency market is down. Is cryptocurrency over? Let's discuss. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. Let's get to it. So Bitcoin is down 10%. It literally dropped from 42,000 all the way down to $34,000 per single BTC at the time of this recording. This is absolutely insane. We have been waiting for this. I have been warning you for the past couple of weeks that 2022 is going to be the year of the bears. And even Max Keiser, the Bitcoin ambassador, tweeted this right here. He says Solana is down 25%. Ha ha ha. Now usually Max Keiser doesn't like altcoins like Cardano and Solana. He just trolls them, but this time he could have a legitimate reason, and that reason is right here. Michael Saylor of MicroStrategy came out today and stated that regulatory uncertainty is happening right now into cryptocurrency. The anxieties, you've seen the fear and greed index. Crypto is just not doing too good because of fear, and everyone right now is feeding into the fear. He says those who are greedy and have been leverage trading by 20x's on these major exchanges are feeling the pain right now. Because of their greed, they are being liquidated heavy, and the overall cryptocurrency market is just way too volatile right now to get into. If you take a look at the liquidation charts, according to this data right here on coinglass.com, the total liquidations by the hour of these leverage traders is $11.1 million. Every 4 hours, $69 million is getting liquidated, and every 12 hours you are looking at $392 million. The 24-hour chart is just completely insane. It clearly shows wrecked, because $1.1 billion every single day is exiting the crypto market from these major exchanges, just liquidating these greedy leverage traders. I told you guys way before on this channel that leverage trading is simply just not it. If you want to get into the cryptocurrency market, you're gonna need patience. You're gonna have to hodl for the long term. If you get greedy and you want to leverage trade to gain a 10x or a quick 20x short term, you are going to get burnt, because these exchanges have more money than you, and the house always wins at every single game. You can see the liquidations going on right now live. Binance at 43%, OKEX at 32%, Bybit. All of these leverage trading crypto exchanges are literally liquidating the traders and killing them one by one. And this is the dangers of leverage trading. Getting liquidated is not pretty, so please be cautious. If you are a leverage trader, we wouldn't recommend it on this channel. Another deal is cryptocurrencies securities. We talked about regulations, as Jim Cramer is now coming out and stating that Dogecoin and other altcoins, they all could be classed as security this year. He says that if the SEC decides to come after some of these altcoins like Solana, i.e. Cardano, any altcoin that went public on a sale or even private on a sale actually passed the Howey test, and you don't want to pass the Howey test, you want to fail it, as if you fail the Howey test you won't be regulated and you will be deemed as a decentralized cryptocurrency, which is Bitcoin and Bitcoin only. Only Bitcoin is safe from regulations at the moment. Any other altcoins from Ethereum downwards, all of those cryptos pretty much have passed the Howey test, and that is a dangerous thing, as the regulators could come after these altcoin projects just like they did XRP. And you can see where XRP is right now. It is almost out of the top 10 of the largest cryptocurrencies by market cap, down 13% on the day and 26% over the past week. And these regulations could last years before they can make a settlement, and that is what went on with XRP and Ripple. If you remember, at the end of 2020, SEC slapped XRP and Ripple with a lawsuit. It has been over a year now and they still haven't settled anything. They are still going back and forth with Ripple out of an ICO that happened way back in 2013, where most of us were not even on the cryptocurrency market. So no matter how good your project is, it doesn't matter if you're Solana, if you're Cardano, get ready for regulations to come in and crack down on you heavy, and this could happen this year in 2022. Now the good news is that Sunday Swap launched. You guys have been following it for the past few days, and this is a major decentralized exchange on the Cardano ecosystem. Now the only issue I have with Sunday is that I have swapped some of my ADA into Sunday Swap, and I have been waiting for the past 48 hours pending orders, simply because of network congestion. I don't know if it's a concurrency issue, I don't know if it's just Cardano block sizes, but this issue needs to be fixed in order for Cardano to beat Ethereum. You cannot be an Ethereum killer and be having these issues, especially if a major DEX is launching on the Cardano ecosystem. It went live on the mainnet and it is as slow as some of these DEXs on Ethereum. Now the Cardano developers have been working on solutions, and that is the good news. The block size of Cardano have recently been increased by 12.5% to allow more transactions and to allow the Cardano ecosystem to be more scalable. You got Hydra coming up, so definitely Cardano is just not sitting on the sideline. It is not an empty vessel anymore. It is only going to get bigger from this point on. You've seen what Cardano did for the past week. While Bitcoin was going down, Ethereum and all these other altcoins, Cardano was exploding on the upward momentum, even flipping Solana, coming close to flipping Binance BNB. And that is the power of ADA army. It is still going strong. You're gonna wanna look out for the projects coming up on the Cardano ecosystem as they could explode this year. Sunday Swap, you can buy it on MusicSwap right now for $1.16 of an ADA, but even on MusicSwap the network is still congested. It is still hard. People are still waiting on pending orders to buy and get hold of these Sunday Swap tokens, as this could be the Uniswap of the Cardano ecosystem. That's why everyone likes Sunday. It is a completely brand new technology. You read their white paper, you like it. The good thing about them is that they are a project that is always working on progress. They partnering with Liquid Finance and all these other projects just to get better, and this will happen over time. Hopefully in 2022 you will see Cardano pick up the momentum. Great projects that are starting up on the Cardano ecosystem that we covered already. You got Vive Finance, Liquid Finance. If you bought Liquid Finance earlier on this month, it would have cost you 10 or 13 ADA to get just one Liquid Finance. Now it has gone up so high that it costs you 73.5 ADA just to hold one Liquid Finance LQ tokens. Liquid Finance, it could be the Yearn Finance of the Cardano ecosystem, and that is alongside with the Vive Finance tokens. You're gonna want to have a look at these projects, research them thoroughly, and see whether or not it could make you future gains during the bear market. Get into their projects. They are going to be doing DeFi, yield farming, all of that good stuff is now coming into the Cardano ecosystem, and that is the excitement. The fact that Cardano's volumes surpassed Ethereum without any project migrating from Ethereum to Cardano, that is the scary good part about this thing right here. Cardano is growing so much that in the future it doesn't need Ethereum projects to move from Ethereum to Cardano for Cardano to prosper. It can do it on its own as projects are slowly launching. Things are coming up. Look at Pavia. It is the very first metaverse project on the Cardano ecosystem, and when we covered Pavia it was around 5 cents of an ADA. Now it is all the way up to 16 cents of an ADA. Pavia is selling land at cnft.io. It is growing every single day. With that being said, what are your thoughts on the overall sentiment of the entire cryptocurrency market? I know it's hard, I know it is bleeding, but this was to be anticipated. We've talked about this 2 years ago on this channel when Cardano was at 8 cents, that you're gonna wanna buy crypto exactly 1 year before the Bitcoin halving, and you're going to want to sell them exactly 1 year after the halving. Those who stuck to that made an incredible amount of money. Now, if you bought Cardano around September last year, of course, I understand your pain. Your only option right now is to just hodl for the long term and believe in these layer 1 projects, as they are offering incredible things coming up, especially the Cardano ecosystem, which is set to explode in the future. Crypto overall is not over yet. Like up the video, share it, subscribe. For some crypto content, I have been Mr. Nakamoto Crypto, and I'm out.